A generic UVM based test bench. This is a generalized UVM based test bench diagram. In the previous session, you have learned that you need to write your own test environment, agent, and some other classes in order to write your complete UVM based test bench. And this diagram shows how will you place all of these components into a test bench. So if you see closely, this is your design under test or DUT. This is your UVM based test class. So you will be instantiating all of your UVM based components within a UVM based test class. And finally you will instantiate your UVM test class and the DUT in the top test bench module or the top module. So this, even though this is written as a UVM test bench, this is a general Systemverilog module which is instantiating both this DUT and the final UVM test class. Now we'll see what are the components in the test class. Within your own UVM based test class, you will have your own UVM based environment class. So remember that this UVM test is your own UVM test which is extending from the UVM underscore test class, and this UVM environment will be your own env which is extending from the UVM underscore env class, and so on. And the test class will contain the env class, and within the environment there will be multiple agents. There could be one or more agents, and this is the UVM based agent class. And also it is not shown here, in a UVM agent there will be three kind of categories of classes, which is the driver class, the monitor class, and the sequencer class. So the sequencer, driver, and monitor all together will be instantiated within an agent class, and multiple agents could be instantiated within an environment class, and multiple environment classes could be instantiated within a test class. And there will be only final single test class which is running at in a particular simulation, and thus that is a final UVM based test class which is instantiating in the top level module along with the DUT. If you have noticed here, the sequence classes will be running from the test class. You can ignore the configuration or factory classes for the time being, but note that the sequences will also be starting from the test class. And the sequence class will again consist of multiple transactions classes, and there could be multiple sequences running from the same test class. Another thing that I wanted you to notice here is that the DUT is directly interacting only with an agent in a UVM based test bench. To be more specific, the DUT will be interacting only with a driver and monitor class within an agent in a UVM based test bench. None of the other classes like the test, environment, even the agent class, the sequence, any transactions, or even the sequencer will not have any direct interactions with the design under test or the DUT. Only the driver class and the monitor class, which are sitting within the agent class, will be interacting with the DUT in a UVM based test bench. Here is a quick summary of a generic UVM based test bench. Your test class will encapsulate all other your own derived UVM based classes, which are like the environment and sequence classes, and the environment will be consisting of one or more UVM agents, which again are consist of driver, sequencer, and monitor classes. And along with your DUT or design under test module, you will be instantiating your UVM based test class within the top level module, which is a Systemverilog specific module.